Hey everybody, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I have another collab for you. And this one is a Fang-Tastic Halloween Treats collab. And it's hosted by Ellie at DIY From House to Home. And as you can maybe hear, I have had a cold for like a week, or a sinus infection. I don't know what it is, but I have been sick for almost 2 weeks. But I was bound and determined to do this collab because I love treats for Halloween. I wanted to make these little desserts. And as much as I've tried, this white chocolate has fought me all the way. I am not the best baker or chocolate maker, that's for sure. Chocolate has just been an enemy of mine because we don't get along. We fight, or they fight, it fights me. So I'm going to turn you around and show you some treats. They're not hard at all. You can make these with your kids. So if I can make these, anybody can. So I'll turn you around and we'll get started on the recipe. And I will have Ellie's channel linked below as well as the playlist. So let's get started. Are these not the cutest little treats? But I won't be making the pretzel or the Nutter Butter one, the ghost and that little pretzel, because the white chocolate just wouldn't do right. But I'll show you how I made these. To make the Frankensteins, I just melted white chocolate, put some green food coloring in there. And then I just bought the Rice Krispie treats and I just dunked them in on all sides. Except the back, you don't really need to if you're going to leave them down. If you're going to put them on a popsicle stick, just do all 4 sides. And I'm just going to coat the top in the black sprinkles, and that'll give it some hair. And it didn't stick very well, but I think if I had frosting, it would probably stick better, and I'll use that next time. The white chocolate didn't work very well. And I just bought a little box of the candy eyes to put on top. I was going to use the ones that I had bought for crafts, but I thought I'd better go ahead and pick up the edible ones. And then I just stuck some more of the sprinkles on there. And then I've got some black writing gel. And I just made a mouth on there and a nose. And that's all I did. And it is adorable. I think that's my favorite one so far. Okay, I'm going to go and make the bat now. And all you need is just a half a cookie and a whole cookie. And just break the cookie in half. I was having trouble breaking it in half evenly, so I had to break 4 of them to get one. But then I took the other cookie and just opened it up carefully, and then you'll take one of the broken half side cookie on one side and put the other one on the other side, and then just put the cookie back together, and you can just press it in, and that icing will help it stick. And then I just took some of the gel and I just put one on each side where the eyes went so they would stick better. And I did not like putting these big eyes on there. I like the smaller ones better. And then I just took the rest of that gel and just made a mouth and a nose, and they made cute little bats. Okay, for those witch's hat, all I did was do a fudge stripe cookie. I put some of that gel around the hole and stuck a Hershey's Kiss on there. And for the pretzel and the ghost, all I did was use that white chocolate as much as I could and just dunk it in there and put the eyes on there. So all of them are really simple and easy. I want to thank Ellie again from DIY From House to Home for hosting this. And I'll have her information linked below as well as a playlist. I'll see you guys in the next video.